Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 BMW X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.